Hey, welcome back everybody. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, as always, it's Paul Marley here. So today's episode is, or at least should be titled, Rolling with the Punches. And what do I mean by that? Well, sometimes things don't exactly go your way. It could be a multiple of things. It could be life getting in the way, because we all know how that goes, right? And we have all the best intentions and we want to do things right and we want to get everything we want working perfectly, but sometimes, you know what, it just doesn't happen. And other times, you know, we might put out a promotion or something like that and it bombs. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not just you. It happens to all of us. It will happen, you know, more times than you can shake a stick at, and it's going to happen again. And if it hasn't happened yet, guess what? It's going to happen. And what I really want to try and instill on you guys is that when these things do go wrong, and when things seem like it's not working and it's all about you, and for some reason it works for everybody else and it just yours completely, or whatever you're doing, completely implodes, well, guess what? We've all been through it, okay? And the only way to actually achieve success is to keep going, because until you've actually really tasted failure, you can't appreciate the successes that you have in your business. And I know that for a fact. And I know there's so many people which have spoke about that before. You know, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, and, you know, Dan Kennedy. There's so many people which you can actually identify with the fact that sometimes failure comes before success. And I'm sorry about the background music there. I'm actually it's really late and I'm recording the podcast now, and arrived in Spain and there's a plane going over from the airport. So apologies for the crummy sound tonight. But I just want to say that you have to keep going. You have to keep reverting back to your, what people say, so-called why. And why are you doing this? Because if that is a big enough reason to keep going, then you have to keep going, okay? And if you don't have a big enough reason, then maybe this isn't for you. That is what I wanted to say to you tonight. It's a short one, but it is a point. You do have to keep going, because ultimately, when you do, you are going to start seeing those successes. So I want you to keep going. All right, that's me out for tonight, and I will catch you all again tomorrow.